All right, in this video, we're going to be doing a video demonstration for part 6 of the first lab in this course. The rest of the parts of the lab can be completed remotely. It's just going through some manuals and finding some information. So yeah, this is going to be all on measurement, random error, and systematic error. And this test here for part 6 is going to be for random error. We're going to be producing a histogram. So what we're going to be doing is taking this Fluke 177 multimeter and measuring the ohmic value of all of these resistors. We have 100 of them, and they're supposed to have a value of approximately 100 ohms. So we're going to be inputting, I'm going to be inputting into a spreadsheet for you. Normally in the lab you would have been making all these measurements. I'm going to input it into a spreadsheet for you, and then you can use the data to complete this lab. So I'm going to get you guys mounted on a stand here so I can use both my hands and demonstrate making a few measurements. All right, so our meter's already on here. If you wanted to shut it off, this is the off position. We want to make sure that the rotary dial is turned to the omega symbol here for ohms, because we're going to be measuring the ohmic value of these resistors. So we'll do our first one here. Just place the leads underneath and kind of push down, wait for the reading to stabilize. Looks good at 98.3. Second one looks good at 98.0. And the third one, 98. Let's just adjust this. 98.2. So 98.3, 98.0, and 98.2 for our 3 readings. All right, so there you can see our first 3 values that we measured there for our resistors. Our first 3 resistors are in the Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to continue on and do the other 97, so we have 100 points. You're going to be taking this data, plugging it into a website link in the lab where it generates a histogram, and we're going to be having a look at that histogram. This is everything that I really needed to demonstrate for this part of the lab. The rest of the stuff can be done by going through the manuals for the instruments that it asks questions on.